how to enable pre-moves on chess.com. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can enable pre-moves on chess.com. To do that, the first step is to log in into your chess.com account, where you can see some options by the left side of the screen, which includes play puzzles, learn, watch news, social, etc. And by the right side of the screen, you can see the settings option, inbox, other options. All right, so just go ahead and click on settings. So after clicking on settings, you can see options like profile, bird and pieces, theme, live chairs, daily chairs, home settings, etc. Just select live chairs. And so after selecting live chess, you will be brought to the live chess page. On this page, you can see options under live chess. All right. And then you can now go ahead and enable or disable whatever you want to. So in this case, we're trying to enable pre-moves, right? And so this is the pre-moves option. And so once you can see it, move to the right side where you can see a toggle. If it is turned off, it will be showing white and black. But once you click on the toggle and then it turns green, it shows that it has been enabled. To disable it, click on it to turn black, and then once it turns green, it shows that it has been enabled. And then once you're done, scroll down to the last part of the page and then click on save to save your settings. And then just like that, your pre-moves would be enabled. All right. But if you're currently playing a game on chess and you want this to be enabled, just move to the top part of the screen and then reload the page so that this new change can also take place on the game that you're currently playing. All right. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a smooth play on chess.com.